Final installation of the fuel cell. Rock solid. Holding straps and the frame welded in. Decided to put in a 2-battery system with an auxiliary, so 1 battery on each side. And then the automatic crossover system, so I can run tunes all day long and still be able to start the car for car shows. Greg had a good idea. The front and back mounted cameras, he's going to check into mounting the back camera in the middle of the rear spoiler for a stealthy look. See if that will work. Final placement for the seat, driver's seat. I had to take out the sliders because the seats set too high, and so we took out the sliders and also modified the car brackets to drop it about 2 inches. There's a placement for the shifter. XL AVE shifter, and there's the collapsible steering column and detachable wheel. Looks pretty nice. Here's the console I'm going to try to use on it. Looking for a bezel. Very difficult to find parts. They only made them 2014 to 2017. With the console, so parts are hard to come by.
Maybe a little fast with that line. For now, I don't lock us
This bar is going to be about 3 inches behind the driver's seat for my short stature. Detachable steering wheel and horn button. And it's also tiltable steering wheel. Remember to use lots of tape because I'm going to do 155 miles an hour.
So we're going to use Gorilla duct tape after. It's temporary.
We're going to swap out the tape.
Well, the tape's a consumable. You got to replace that
every run, right? Power steering, or power brake cylinders.
Tape out when that right side bracket comes in for that. I want to test it on something before you install it.
Okay.
I want to see if it works out better on that front end for me. It's not even the same issue. If I put it on that side, I got to notch out my inner fender.
Yeah, on this it was buried. pulls up.
Yeah,
Close.
I'm short about this much, you know, I could put something in, but I'm thinking maybe I can go the other way. If I could put it the other way and still get an outflow on.
There's the wheel spacing, tire spacing measurement tool underneath the console. Looks like about 9.5 inch wheels on the front and about 315 tires on the back is the max. Mock-up brake pedal for me.